What's happening, my peeps? Gonna do a little catch-up video, something I guess, because the weather is not good. But doing a little wet sanding on the hood. I'm gonna get that on. The boy is working on his summer whips. Falcon, whoops, wrong way, sorry. For sale. We'll give you a quick undershot here of the Angry Bird, and then lower it and check it out up top. This is where we're at here. The only thing we really got to do underneath, well, it's not really even underneath. The fans, wire the fans. Waiting for the drive shaft still to get made. Put oil in a transmission after that. And then it should be good underneath. And I'm hoping the drive shaft comes, well, yeah, gets done this week so we can get it on the ground, finish it up with some wiring. And up here, we're super close. I did forget, I gotta run a steam vent. I'm not real sure where we're gonna run that now. We're struggling with some other things. This is where we're at up top. I still do have to bleed the brakes and the clutch. I think that right there says it all. And as far as inside, we got our new tires on. Looks so much better. We're gonna rock the white letters for a little bit. See how much, if it even ever turns them. Ha ha. But inside, we're super close. The only thing is one wire for the fuel pump, 2 wires for the line lock, and then there's one more for the, got to hook up the MAC valves in the pressure regulator. Get the dashes in. I'm excited to see that thing light up. Hopefully it lights up anyways. I really want to get the interior back together. And we'll go to the back. If I can fit my fat ass through here. There's so much crap laying around. But back here, we're done back here. Right or wrong, that's how it's gonna be for now. We need to get this thing going. It's like 40 days away from opening day at our local track at Lucky's. And really wanted to be ready months ago, but as they say, life happens. We got this, but that's where we're at. Day by day, but it's tough. Working a full-time job, still trying to survive life and work on these things sometimes is difficult. All right, everyone, that's it for right now. Trying to get you caught up. I'm not good at videos, trying to get better for everyone. But that's where we're at. We're so close. So don't forget to hit the little like button over there. If it's over there, I think it's over there. Share it, help us grow. We got a drone, so hopefully we'll get some pretty cool footage from that. Hopefully we'll get this thing done. We got to do, it's my brother's Nova. He's working on rebuilding his engine. I didn't even start my Nova. Got to pull the transmission out because it was leaking. Do a bunch of other little things to that and get it ready. And sorry for that close-up. That's that. That's where we're at. You know what to do. Over there, the little like button. See you guys. Bye. Also, let us know if you want to see more of something, less of something. We'll take all the criticism, try to help us make better videos. Or if you think we should throw in a towel, just be honest. We're trying to make it better, but if we can't, then I don't know. Then that's that. I also forgot we have our little S10 Blazer. We need to finish that so we can go beat this, enjoy it. And I really, really want to start working on this 69 Camaro. Plenty to do.